everyone, I'm back again, and today this video will be all about Fabbag. So this is the last month of my subscription. My subscription is going to be expired this month, so I will have to check if I have to renew my subscription with the Fabbag. However, I feel that this month's Fabbag, that is June month's Fabbag, would rather decide if I have to renew my subscription or not. So let's just quickly check. If you guys have any suggestions whether I should subscribe to it or I should renew the subscription or not, please do let me know. That will be more than helpful. So let's just quickly get started. I have my Fabbag right here with me. I'll quickly go ahead and check. So I have opened the seal of this particular Fabbag. However, I don't know what's inside. So let's get open the Fabbag and see. Wow. One thing I must say, so these people, they have a fantastic sense of sending pouches. I mean, every single pouch that I have received from them from the time I've subscribed to Fabbag, I've seen that every time it's a different quality, a different variety, a different design that they send. They have never repeated the kind of pouches that these guys send with the products in it. So this is my favorite of all the bags that I've got from them. It says Eat, Sleep, Makeup and Repeat. I hope you guys can see this. Beautiful bag, all black, and then it has this makeup print on it, which I loved. So I'm definitely going to use this on a regular basis. What's wrong with me today? So let's just quickly open this and see what we've got inside. Starting with the cue cards they sent. Alright, I'll start with this particular card first. It says hashtag in my Fabbag contest. It says that I just need to click a picture of my June Fabbag and post it on various social networking sites. I haven't done it this time, but if I do and I win, I might win a Palladio Beachik lipstick. So I'm not really going to do this because I have a lot of lipsticks that I have to take care of. So I'm not going to do this time. And next is the cue card, which mentions all the products that they have sent inside. I would rather not read it this time. I would see directly what's inside the pouch and show you guys. Third is this renewal card, which comes with a coupon code here, and it says that if I renew my subscription further, let's say if I go for another subscription of 3 months or 6 months, I will get a discount of 10% flat on the total amount. So let's say if a 3-month subscription is for 1500 rupees, I'll get somewhere around 150 rupees off on that particular subscription. So I'll see if I have to subscribe or renew to the subscription once again. You guys can actually help me out with that. So if you want me to subscribe or to renew my subscription, please comment below in the comments box and help me out with that. Okay, thank you. Let's quickly start. I'll just keep this here, the cardboard box. Let's just quickly start with this little cute pouch. Wow. So yes, I got a mail from Fabbag and they said that they want me to decide whether I want to get a liquid liner or I want to get an eye crayon from these people as an option or as a sample part of the pouch. So I opted for a eye crayon, and I've got it. This is from Be a Bombshell. The shade that I've received here, it says Stonehenge is the shade. Let's just quickly open it and see what what the shade is. So I'll just quickly open this. Wow, this is how it looks like. So that's the pencil it looks like, and it's a nice roll-on sort of a pencil. You can always roll, twist the bottom section of the pencil and take the product out. And just quickly check how pigmented it is. Wow. So I hope you guys can see. I'm not sure if you guys can. This is the payout of the color, and I'm not really happy with this particular color. It looks like it's very pigmented, but it's not that pigmented, and it can easily come off. However, I will be trying it though. I will be using it in case I'm going for a party or I'm going out with friends. I can actually wear this, but I'm not too happy because it's not really pigmented. Coming back to, I'll just put it inside again. Just quickly seal this back. Coming back to the next product I've got here, let's just check what we've got. It says it's pure wild shea butter. It's an African shea butter, so I'll just check how it is. It actually smells like we used to. I'm not too sure if you guys have eaten. There was a Kiss Me bar that you guys used to get. I used to eat it in my childhood, and it smells exactly like that. So yeah, it actually smells like that. This is the texture, the color of the shea butter they've sent. It's very creamy, though it looks like it's in a solid form, but it's very creamy. Nice. I'm actually going to pop this in my handbag, and in case, because my hands, they get dry very easily, so I'm going to actually use this every day. So I'm going to pop it into my bag. Let's see what we've got inside. Wow, this is something that I'm actually going to buy next. I'm just waiting for my makeup remover to get get finished, and then probably this is the product that I'm going to try. This is Bioderma Sensibio H2O makeup remover. Guys, I've heard a lot of good things, a lot of fantastic things from the YouTubers, and I've seen a lot of videos wherein people are using this and they're very happy with this. I've heard that it's very gentle, it's very nice on the skin. It actually melts away all the makeup you have on your skin. So I because I already have two different products to actually use, I will be definitely buying this a bottle of this once I get exhausted with them. So but yes, it's good that these guys have actually sent me a sample of this so that I can try out if this will be nice for me. So thank you so much. I'll just quickly use it. And what is this? So I've got this nice golden pouch which says, it says Skin Yoga Coffee Body Scrub. It is 100% natural body exfoliator. Now this is the best part of this entire fab bag. I have not used a coffee scrub, though I always wanted to use one, and I somehow could not get one. So I'm really thankful to Fabbag that they actually sent me a coffee scrub. I don't know how they read my mind, but I'm really happy that they gave me one. Let me just open this and smell how it smells. Just wow, it smells amazing. So if you guys can see, this is how it doesn't look that good though, but let me just quickly take out a little bit. I'm so sorry, and I'll just put it here. See, that's how it looks like. It's all that powdery nice. Wow. It smells amazing. It smells like you have a nice strong coffee that you're sipping. So I really want to drink it all, but I can't. But I'm really happy with this particular product that they've sent. Overall, if I talk about the entire fab bag, I'm really happy about the products that they have sent me. I'm actually getting convinced that I should renew my subscription with fab bag. Oops, I just dropped the coffee scrub. So sorry. So yes, I was saying that I'm still thinking that whether I should, but yes, I'm more on a positive side. So I will be moreover subscribing to my fab bag. In case you guys want me to subscribe to them or renew my subscription, please do let me know. That will be more than helpful. And I will be in case I go ahead and renew my subscription, I'll be making more videos reviewing and unboxing the month fab bag that I get in the future. If you want a special request that I should film on or probably make a video on, please do let me know about that as well. I will be soon filming a hair care tutorial for you guys, because I got a comment that you guys want to see a hair care tutorial. I will be doing that. I think that will be by the next week. So in case there's any delay, please do forgive me on that. If you have liked this particular video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please share this particular video as well so that others can also know about Fabbag. And if you have not, do click on the subscribe box below and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.